Some time ago, my husband and I owned a classic car. It was a 1969 Landrover Series 2A. Sadly, it was damaged in a road accident. So we decided to restore it to its former glory. To do this properly, we needed a donor vehicle. So we bought a second old Land Rover to be used as a parts car. We dismantled both vehicles and chose the good parts and disposed of the parts beyond repair. While my husband prepared and put together the body parts, the engine, and the drivetrain, I was in charge of cleaning the chassis, conserving all of the nuts, bolts, screws, and small parts. We have achieved success at various stages. In no time, I had finished the chassis. I cleaned, welded, and painted it. Soon it was ready to refit the engine, then the axles, and the gearbox. After this, we fitted the body. That left only minor details, and the Land Rover was ready for a road test. And after that, the MOT, which she passed with a flying colors. Thank you for listening. Bye.